safe to say it's not often that you hear about a firefighter entrepreneur picking up $1 million in venture capital funding. But that is exactly what Zach Green has raised from his Emanate Foxfire Illumination Products company. He's a volunteer firefighter for the city of Wyoming, and his company makes products like this. Firefighters use them to give off light when electrical failures plunge them into complete darkness.
If you're the company officer and you're in a very low light environment, you can at least keep track of your crew by seeing where those helmet bands are illuminating or where the tools that they're carrying to assist them are.
You can see the big difference between what the firefighter sees with and without Emanate Foxfire. In this morning's Business Insight, Zach Green is with us in the studio, joining U.S. Bank Business Watch producer Kelly Leon. Zach and Kelly.
Thanks, Brian. And Zach, thanks for being here. This is a great story. I mean, we saw what your products do. Tell us a little bit about how you started this business. You literally started it out of the trunk of your car.
Absolutely. We went from the trunk of my car to my garage. My wife evicted me out of the garage because I was taking up too much room, and now we have our own office. But we have a saying in the firefighting service that we're all brothers and we all look out for each other. And one of the things we do is we're constantly coming up with different types of innovations, a way of making things better and safer. And I saw a story about this technology being used in the World Trade Towers, and it actually helped people get out of the World Trade Towers. And I thought, what if we could apply that same technology to firefighters? Anything with a battery or electricity is going to fail when you need it most. And what's so great about this technology, it's been out for 20-something years. What I did is I applied it a little differently, but more importantly, I put a really good branding and marketing behind this. And I was able to develop a network of other fellow firefighters to help distribute this out across not only the U.S., but we're in 25 different countries now, being used by over 45,000 different firefighters.
Wow. Well, let's putting your firefighter hat aside a minute and putting your entrepreneur hat on. How did you come up with the idea? Because in terms of, not so much the idea, but how to market it, how to create it, how to brand it. Because a lot of people would say, I'm a firefighter. I'm not a business guy. I'm not an entrepreneur. How did you take that step to actually do both?
Sure. Well, I'm a firm believer that just having a great product doesn't really make that much of a difference. You have to have a great product and have great marketing, sales, and distribution behind it. And once you have that great marketing, sales, and distribution behind it, you can really do anything. And what we really focused on wasn't so much the technology. This technology is fantastic. It really is amazing technology. What we focused our time on was building the brand of Foxfire that is by firefighters, for firefighters, and now we're transitioning from by firefighters, for firefighters, to those we protect. And we're using all that brand equity that we built up in the firefighter market to help industrial safety.
And this is showing the difference. That really is amazing, what you see and what you don't see without it.
You know, there's a primal fear of the dark. This is not a learned fear like Dracula or zombies or something. When you go into dark environments, you get disoriented. And even for firefighters, we get disoriented. Any chance we can give them a little bit of light to come back, to help them orient themselves, it's going to help them find the victims faster. It's going to help them solve those problems quicker. And again, our focus is using our fellow firefighters to share this technology with each other.
So quickly, for those who do have an idea but are in a different profession and maybe don't know how to sell it, what advice would you give to an entrepreneur who has a good idea but maybe isn't equipped automatically to get it done?
Well, the first advice I advise them is get up and do it. I'm a firm believer in Teddy Roosevelt and some of his great quotes, and one of my favorite quotes he said is, if you're faced with a monumental decision, the best thing to do is the right thing, the next best thing to do is the wrong thing, but the worst thing to do is nothing.
That's great.
So get up there and just start doing stuff. The next thing is think about focusing not so much on your product, but focus on how you're going to be able to sell it, who you're going to sell it to, how you're going to replicate it, and how you can have other people that you can carry around. Really focus on building a community. And the great thing is there's so many great communities that are out there through social media. It's free.
Yeah.
Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn.
Thanks, Zach. Great idea, great job. We wish you all the success in the world. It was fun to have you here.
Thank you so much.
Bye.